Hi, I'm Tyler with Powernail Company. Today I'd like to introduce you to the Model 50P Power Roller. This tool drives an 18-gauge L-shaped cleat nail in lengths from 1 3/4 to 1 1/4 inches long. It's made right here in the USA for today's professional flooring installer. It's a perfect tool for installing domestic, exotic, and engineered wood floors, and that also includes bamboo. This tool features the Flex Power Rolling Base. The base allows you to roll the tool across the tops of the floorboards rather than having to pick the tool up before you strike it each time. This base adjusts from 3/8 of an inch up to 3/4 of an inch without the use of shims or pads. The Model 50P also features our XL handle with Power Wing. What the Power Wing does, it helps you bring the tool's center of gravity over the top of the wheels and provides for a more smooth and stable operation. The extra length handle also allows you to stand taller as you work with the tool and helps alleviate back strain.